Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually this video I made a few months ago, but I just gonna upload it today. Tirta Empul Bali and Holy Spring Water Temple. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Tirta Empul Bali. In Tirta Empul, we also have spring water. So you will see the water come from the ground right away. It's very unique and very beautiful. In Tirta Empul Temple, usually a lot of people come to this temple to make ceremony melukat. Ceremony melukat is meant they will clean their body and heart. Before they do melukat, usually they do praying in family temple, and then they pray in village temple, then they go to the main temple, and at the end they go to this temple to do melukat. All this the water come from the spring water, and I will show you where is the water is coming from. So I will make video exactly the water come from the ground. This is the main gate to go to the temple, and beside the temple there is a palace from the first president of Indonesia, Mr. Soekarno. You see that left side on the video? There's the palace of the first president Indonesia. Very beautiful area, isn't it? Okay, now we are inside the temple area. You see decoration? It's very beautiful. So from here you can see the water come from the ground. It's like a real thing happening in front of your eyes. It's very beautiful. You see that water? No, just only one point. We have some point, the water coming outside from the ground, inside the temple. You see two girls on the video? They bring the offering for praying inside the temple. You see decoration is very beautiful, isn't it? The wood carving with the gold inks, very beautiful. In Bali we have three art very high: painting, dancing, and carving. So Balinese, they usually doing carving on the wood, also from the stone, also even from the bone of the animal, they make carving. So you see decoration here? The statue is very beautiful, isn't it? On the video, there is the priest pray to the gods right away and make blessing for the people. Okay, let's back to the spring water. You see the spring water down there. It's very beautiful. Look at that tree. It's very old. Very big tree. And for sure it's very old. Look at that koi fish. That's very big and large. You can do fish feeding here. Okay guys, so what do you think about this temple? It's very beautiful, isn't it? If you want to know the story about this temple, you can find it in Google. And I will explore also step by step how to they pray in the next video. So, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will more explore another culture of Bali. Thank you very much for staying with my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.